Hi everyone, welcome to part 11 of this window restoration. I'm thinking there's probably going to be 16 parts altogether, so I'm almost there. I am so close. Um, in this video, I'm going to be just finishing up priming all the many pieces that make up this window, and I will be working on cutting out the rest of the casing out of the for the window itself. And so it's coming along. Things are moving along. By the way, I typically use a primer for a Zinsser, which I really like. But in this particular case, I used this Valspar, and it did not work well at all. So I don't recommend using that. I think the problem that I had was it was like, although it was very misty, which is good, uh, it didn't come out very strong. And then the other problem is that throughout the spray, it had some bigger dots. So I definitely don't recommend that. I have always used the canned Zinsser. Well, typically I have a paint sprayer, and that works really well for both for priming and for paint. But because I don't have my paint sprayer, everything's in the storage unit, which pretty soon I'll be getting out. I using the canned primer, and I definitely recommend Zinsser. So for now, enjoy the video. Looking forward to having you on part 12. All right, bye.